To say that she took a third of these guys and then a third of that half and then she added and put them all together?
Yeah.
How many of you did it similar to what she did? So how about if we start here? That's Violet again. We're keeping her busy today.
Okay. I did 2/3 times 10 halves, and then I changed 2/3 to 7/3, and 10 and a half to 21 seconds, and then 3 times 2 is 6, and then 7 times 21 is 147, and I showed that here. So I did 6, which is my denominator, divided by 147, which is my numerator, and then I got 24 and 3/6.
Wow. What was your answer again?
24 and a half.
You lost
3/6.
Okay, so now somebody tell me what she just said. What's her strategy? Only 2 hands up? So what are the rest of you, what are your questions for Violet?
She just converted the wholes into a fraction.
Can you do that?
Yeah. There's no rules if you can't.
So that's all she did? Nikki, what'd she do?
She converted the wholes into the fraction.
So she took this, 2 1/3, and she made it 7/3.
The idea of mixed numbers.
She didn't like the idea of mixed numbers, so she switched them over, so now she has 2 fractions. And then did she just use our algorithm? Multiply numerators, multiply denominators?
No.
Who did this one right here? Kristen, what did you do? Okay, watch up here, guys, okay?
I knew I had to do 2 1/3, 10 and a half times, and I found that 1/2 of 2 1/3 was 1 1/6. So I added all the wholes, which got me 21, and then I added all the thirds, and 3/3 is 1 whole, and I had 1 whole, 2 wholes, and then I had 3 wholes, and a 6 and a 1/3 and 1/6, and I can't add those, so I changed the third to 2/6, and I added those, and it was 3/6. So altogether, I got 24 and 3/6.
Is that the same thing Violet got?
Yeah.
So Kristen thought about it as repeated addition, didn't she?
Yeah.
What was our number sentence? How many of these 2 1/3 do we have?
10 and a half.
We have 10 1/2 groups of 2 1/3. I heard her say something. How many of these does she have? 2 1/3, you guys? 10 of them? So is it fair to say that first thing she did was 10 groups of 2 1/3? She just added them? 10 groups of 2 1/3. She just added them all up as she went. So what is this thing over here?
That's half. It's
Half of what?
of 2/3. 2 1/3.
Oh, so then she took a half of 2 1/3?
Yeah.
Can I do that? Would that take care of it? Could I do 10 groups of 2 1/3 and then a half of a group of 2 1/3?
Yeah.
So maybe I can leave them in